Alright, this is Pro Lights final hit. Pro Lights final hit. Back na! And again, nahuli si Bornski. Panghuli si Burnok, panghuli. Oh, shot. Maclean Aguilar. Nahuli si Burnok. Maclean Aguilar. David Viterbo, Sid Manigo, Ompong Gabriel. Sayang si Bornski. Sayang, nahuli.
Maclean Aguilar was down. It is now Burnok, El Manigo, and David Viterbo. Santa Maria on third position. Ompong Gabriel coming in on fourth. Burnok Pagoso and David Viterbo. Coming in, Burnok, that is David Viterbo and El Manigo.
Bakbakanay. Battle of first. Sid Manigo and Viterbo. Third, John Mamarel. Fourth, Ompong Gabriel. David Malgapo, 6. Pang-pito si Bornski. So makahabol kaya ang hari ng motocross.
From RSA to Wall Street Factory Racing, David Malgapo by 27. 111.
Makahabol kaya, makahabol.
From Yamaha Philippines.
So Sid Manigo na. Sid Manigo na ang first. Oh, unang-una na si Manigo. Second, Viterbo.
Ompong Gabriel, David Malgapo, and Burnok Pagoso taking the inside. Here we have it onto the ribbons. That is Elsa Baby Lion Manigo. 827, David Viterbo. 07, Santa Maria. Ompong Gabriel, and Burnok
Mahabol talaga yan.
coming in, 27, David Malgapo.
Malayo na si Elsid. Viterbo.
Creating the gap, we have Rider 19, also Baby Lion Manigo on our race leader for the Pro Lights category. Coming in on second, David Viterbo, 827 from Enduro Factory Race.
Oh, maapat na si Burnok.
Coming in on third position from Axel Philippines.
Tignan natin kung makahabol.
07, San Mamaril.
Malayo na si Elsid. Sayang.
That is Burnok Pagoso. On fifth position, we have Israel coming on the inside lane. Ompong Gabriel from Moto Philippines. Checking in, David Malgapo overtaking the crowd.
Manigo. Mamarel. Uy. Kamali din si ano doon kanina eh, Manigo. Si Mamaril naman, muntika na. So, malayo na.
Still our race leader, Baby Lion, 519, Elsa Manigo from Fort Ron Jensen. Coming
lumalayo na si Juan.
That is going
Elsie.
19, Elsa, Baby Lion Manigo.
Lumalayo na.
And on second, we have 827, David Vitale.
Dumidistansya na.
On third, 07, San Maria. 111 is Baby Lion coming in 27, David Lion. 77, Alpo Gabriel.
Nahuli kasi siya, nabad start eh.
On our junior rider, we have here Baby Lion catching up on his flank into the boards on the outside lane. And it is still San Maria coming out.
Malayo na si Elsen.
Coming in is the junior. This is a more battle between Junior and taking the gap by 19, Elson, Baby Lion Maningo. 827, that is David Viterbo. Catching up on the plane, King William takes it on board the bar into the verb section. Now it's
pangatlo na si Bornok.
King William, 111, down to board 07, Junior Rider, and 1-4.
Malayo na si Elsen.
Coming in on the third position, we also have here RSA Rider.
Sayang, sayang.
27, David Alvaro. We also have here 77, Alvaro from
Oh, Elsen. Turbo. Natin kung makahabol pa. So, pangatlo na si Bornski. From last to third. Tingnan natin kung makahabol pa. Kasi kung di siya makahabol dito, magsa-champion si ano, Manigo. Mahabol talaga to kasi number 1 siya kanina.
07 Junior Riders at Macaril. 27
natin kung makahabol pa.
of RS8 One Speed Factory Racing. We have a few more laps to go.
Few more laps.
This is still outside Manigo. David Viterbo.
So, pumapalayo na talaga. Ang hindi na makahabol. Sayang.
It is still Baby Lion, Elsa Manigo on the lead. Coming in on second, 827, David Viterbo. On third position, Board of the Month, driven by our rookie rider, 2024, Don David Alvo. On
Dalawa, David Viterbo. Oh, palapit pa si Malgapo. Bakanay, battle for third. David Malgapo versus Bornok Mangosong.
But still, we are seeing a good show right here. Coming on in, right behind the King Lion, our rookie rider of the year 2024. We have it here on the battle for third position.
Battle for third position.
Bartolomeo and David Malgapo coming in on for the Pro Lights category. Pushing the speed, and it is still 19, Baby Lion, Axel Manigo from Walter Jensen, leading the race for the Pro Lights category. Coming in 827, David Viterbo from the San Marcos. And the Rookie of the Year,
Oh, Bakanay, battle for third.
David Malgapo.
Bornok Mangosong at David Malgapo. still leading the race. Elcid Manigo, malayo na po. Malayo na po si Elcid.
We are into the last 5 laps of racing.
Last 5 laps.
For the Pro Life Academy, and this
Last
was
5
the
laps.
final for 15 laps. Again, this is coming in.
Uy!
Last 4 laps.
Ayaw makulit.
Elson, thank you, Ryan Manigo, our race leader for the Pro Life Academy. Coming in on second. David Viterbo. Coming in on third from the Maha Philippines. Is our rookie rider of 2024, David Viterbo, rider 27. On fifth, junior rider 07, San Mateo from Axel Philippines. Cutting off on 6th position from Moto Philippines. We have
Bakbakanan sila ni David Malga po.
Arthur Gabriel.
Pero malayo na si Elcid.
Once again,
Uy! Uy, makulit!
is scheduled for 15
Ano naman kayo?
Brought to us by Barangay San Isidro Rodriguez Rizal. It is once again Elson, Baby Lion, 192-827, like 141 and 27. King Lion is the Rookie of the Year 2024. David Manabo on board. Coming in on fifth, we have our junior rider of 2024-07, San Mario from Axel Philippines. And Marcos Arthur Gabriel from Moto Philippines. Few more laps to go, and Elson Manigo still pushes in using his Yamaha YD 519 for the Pro Life. 2 more laps to go. We have 2 more laps.
2 more laps. Last 2 laps.
Coming in.
Still leading the race. Elcid Manigo. Viterbo, second. Third, Bordak Mangusong.
Coming in on fifth. Closing it in. Arthur Gabriel.
Di talaga si King Lion yun. Hindi Lion talaga.
Bumubuntot pa rin si Malga po.
Once again, race leader by 19, coming all the way from Vietnam, Philippines. We have it here, Elson Baby Lion Manigo, coming in on second. Miscellaneous by 827, David Viterbo from Enduro Factory Racing, coming in on third. 111, Bordak King Lion Magoso.
So last lap.
Maha Philippines.
Last lap for Elcid Manigo. Last lap.
Rookie of the Year rider 2024, David Manigo.
Last lap for Elcid Manigo.
07,
Sayang tayo, guys.
rider 2024, San Gabriel. Arthur Gabriel from Moto Philippines. This is the last lap of racing
Last
for
lap.
all our riders in the Pro Lights category.
King Lion ako ito.
And we are still on the go. Elson Manigo coming in once again redeeming himself. We have it here onto the French section.
Elcid Manigo approaching for the secret flag.
From Foto Jensen, right now.
Champion for the Pro Lights category. Champion.
And on third, that is King Lion followed by our rookie
Fourth.
rider of the year, David Malgapo.
Pangatlo si King Lion.
Checking in, we also have
So yun guys, pangatlo lang si Bornok.